Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video from Technary.com. So today we have TOZO T10 Overview. Are you looking for Bluetooth wireless earbuds in USA or other parts of the globe? Well, there is a one set of earbuds which seem to be compelling as per the price offered. These are the TOZO T10 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Let us have a look at the features of these earbuds. These are Bluetooth wireless earbuds from the brand TOZO. These earbuds are using the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. These support in-call stereo sound. It is having powerful bass performance using the 8 mm large sized speaker driver. It has drive area which is 1.77 times larger than the normal drive area. When you pick up both the earbuds from the charging case, they get automatically connected with each other. These are having amazing IPX8 waterproof feature. This is one of the best feature which we liked from these earbuds. It is having nano coating for the earbuds and the charging case. It is able to waterproof them for 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. It is good for people in sports too. Also ideal for people who sweat a lot in the gym during workout or while exercising. These earbuds are able to charge and provide 4 hours of playtime from a single charge and 14 hours of extra hours using the charging case. The best part is that the charging case supports wireless charging, so you can easily charge the charging case wirelessly. These are lightweight earbuds having weight of 0.07 ounces and has noise reduction cap. It is having ergonomic design and it contains gel flexible silicone ear caps which will be helpful to fit into your ears comfortably. So these were the features of these earbuds, and let's get on to the price. So it is having a price of 29.99 US dollars. So that is the very less price, very much value for money for these earbuds. So if you want to purchase them, kindly check out the link in the description below. So for more such interesting tech news and gadget reviews, keep visiting our website which is technary.com. Do like this video and kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at technary.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.